Surprise heart party? Forget that. Let's find your artery's true BFF on our supplement safari. Yeah, those blood delivery dudes deserve some love, but let's be real, they're not exactly rock stars. They're more like the backstage crew lugging oxygen around like roadies. But hey, without them, the whole heart show crashes and burns. So, imagine your arteries throwing a surprise party. Not the fun kind, the oh crap my cholesterol clogged the door kind. That's no way to live. That's why we're going on a supplement safari, hunting down the best artery-loving goodies science has to offer. Forget sketchy bottles of fairy dust. We're talking real, researched, heart high-fiving heroes. We'll cut through the jungle of jars and pills, leaving you with a shopping list your arteries will thank you for. Let's find your heart's true BFF, not just some shady street magician in a lab coat. So buckle up, because we're about to get scientific, sassy, and maybe even a little bit silly. Because healthy arteries aren't just good for you, they're just plain fun. Number 10. Artichoke. Hold on, we're switching gears to artichokes. Not just delicious, but also heroes for your arteries. Artichoke leaf extract is like the defender against cholesterol, with studies backing up its superhero status. In a massive study, daily artichoke leaf extract supplements brought down both total and bad LDL cholesterol levels. Another study showed a 6-week daily dose slashing total and bad LDL cholesterol by 18% and 23% respectively. And get this. In an animal study, artichoke extract went full superhero mode, reducing bad LDL cholesterol by 30% and triglycerides by 22%. How? Well, it's all about luteolin, an antioxidant in artichokes, and the extract's knack for helping your body break down cholesterol like a pro. So, next time you munch on artichokes, know you're giving your arteries a tasty treat. Number 9. Magnesium. Alright, let's dive into magnesium, the unsung hero found in nuts, seeds, legumes, and some fruits and veggies. Surprisingly, research says that around half of adult Americans might be missing out on this mineral magic. Now, magnesium and cardiovascular health are like BFFs. It's like a superhero using the same path as statins, those med superheroes, to keep inflammation, blood clotting, and plaque formation away from our arteries. Magnesium's got some moves. It can lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease, and keeping our blood flow smooth. While a balanced diet can be magnesium's best friend, some folks might need a little extra love through supplements, especially if they're picky eaters or have dietary quirks. Number 8. Quercetin. Now meet quercetin, the bioflavonoid buddy found in apples, green tea, and berries. It's like the superhero that kickstarts reverse cholesterol transport, sending cholesterol on a one-way trip out of artery walls and straight to the liver for a safe exit. But that's not all. Quercetin also throws a party for endothelial cells, the cool cats controlling blood pressure and flow inside your blood vessels. Studies show it restores the chill vibes of nitric oxide, relaxing arteries and keeping the blood flowing smoothly. You can grab quercetin in supplement form, usually in capsules or powders. Daily doses are typically 500 and 1,000 milligrams, and bonus points if it comes with sidekicks like vitamin C or digestive enzymes for better absorption. Talk about a heart-friendly superhero team. Number 7. Vitamin E. Let's talk about vitamin E, the defender against the bad cholesterol and its sneaky friend, free radicals. When LDL, the bad guy cholesterol, teams up with oxygen, they create these troublemakers called free radicals, leading to heart issues. Vitamin E steps in like a superhero, protecting against LDL's harmful oxidation and stopping it from building up in artery walls. In a study, it's like the secret weapon against metabolic syndrome, lowering LDL and triglyceride levels. Just a heads up though, vitamin E doses in supplements can vary a lot, so check those labels. The magic number, according to NIH, is up to 1,000 milligrams per day. Stay within the limit for a heart-healthy superhero boost. Number 6. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. The supplement celeb you've probably spotted in the vitamin aisle. It's like the body's natural enzyme superstar found in sardines, liver, chicken, and broccoli, the cool foods. As you age, your CoQ10 production takes a nosedive, potentially affecting your good cholesterol. Cue the supplements to the rescue. If your heart needs some love, CoQ10's antioxidant powers got you covered. It's like the bodyguard for nitric oxide, ensuring smooth blood flow and keeping those arteries wide open. Say goodbye to free radicals messing with your circulation. CoQ10 is here to save the day. Number 5. Evening Primrose Oil. Let's talk about evening primrose oil. It's like the superhero extracted from primrose seeds. Packed with GLA, gamma-linolenic acid, the good fat, it's on a mission to heal artery linings and kick inflammation to the curb. Studies even say it plays a double role by boosting good HDL cholesterol and telling pesky platelets to chill. No set dosage rules here, so chat with your doc to figure out what's best for you. Start slow to dodge side effects, and if anything weird happens, consult your superhero, doctor in this case. Number 4. Vitamin C. Guess what? Vitamin C is like the rockstar nutrient we all need in our daily menu. It's hanging out in plant-based goodies like fruits, veggies, and salad greens, ready to bring its A game. Fun fact, studies say folks with gum issues might be in for some heart trouble. That sneaky bacteria causing gum problems can wreak havoc on your arteries. Enter vitamin C, the hero. It toughens up your arteries' collagen, keeping them flexy and ensuring a healthy blood flow. Best part? Take it on an empty stomach in the morning for a VIP absorption party, 30 minutes before chowing down. Number 3. Aged garlic extract. Garlic, the unsung hero in the kitchen, is also rocking the cardiovascular scene. Forget about the usual garlic. We're talking about the seasoned pro, aged garlic extract. It's like garlic on steroids, but in a good way. This special garlic takes a 20-month spa day in ethanol, turning into a powerhouse of antioxidants. It's like garlic, but without the bad breath. Studies show it's a pro at reducing plaque in arteries, especially the tricky and risky kind. So, if you want to give your heart some love, let aged garlic extract be your heart's superhero. Smelly breath? Not on its watch. Number 2. Vitamin K2. Now let's shine the spotlight on vitamin K2, the unsung hero, the James Bond of vitamins. While vitamin K1 from leafy greens is playing hide-and-seek with absorption, K2, aka MK7, struts in like a VIP. It's your artery's personal bodyguard, stopping calcium deposits and keeping the blood flow as smooth as a spy's getaway. Goodbye, calcium chaos. This vitamin's got more moves than a dance floor. In a study, K2 swept in, lowered heart disease risks, and flexed its muscles on blood pressure and artery stiffness. Talk about a vitamin MVP, K2, the hero your arteries deserve. Number 1. Krill Oil. Ahoy there. Ready for a sea-licious adventure with krill oil? Picture this. Krill, the VIP shrimp, mingling with whales, fish, penguins, and seals. It's the hottest underwater party. Move over, fish oil. Krill oil's in town, bringing omega-3 fatty acids, a splash of vitamin A, and antioxidants. The ultimate oceanic combo. Your heart's gonna do a happy dance. It's the superhero tackling high cholesterol and plaque in your arteries. Oh, and did I mention its secret power? Boosting the good cholesterol. In a study, krill oil even showed fish oil how to play the cholesterol game. Just a friendly heads up. If you're on blood thinners, have a little chit-chat with your doc before joining the omega-3 underwater rave. Supplements. They're like the cool kids in different outfits. Tinctures, pills, and capsules doing the artichoke extract dance. The dosage? Well, it's like choosing your snack size. Depends on the vibe you're feeling. Now, before you dive into the supplement party, give your doc a shout. No known bad vibes, but it's like the supplement VIP pass, just to be sure. Your cells and tissues? They're like the VIPs too, needing oxygen-rich blood. Keep those arteries happy, and you're on the road to a heart that's chillin' like a villain. Pair these soupies with heart-healthy habits. They're like the dynamic duo fighting off heart disease and strokes. But hey, before you assemble your superhero squad, chat with your doc, especially if you've got other meds on the scene. Pregnant or nursing? Double check with your doc. They're like the wise elders in this supplement saga. Quick heads up. Supplements aren't FDA regulated like your usual meds. It's like a quality roller coaster, brand to brand, bottle to bottle. Buckle up. Feeling the info vibes? Drop a comment. Hit subscribe for more health shenanigans. And don't forget to give that like button some love. Stay healthy, my friends. It's a supplement party out here.
Dirty, no, I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy.